Hey there! I'm excited to walk you through my workflow for creating a landing page with eye-catching illustrations. Let's begin. I've prepared all the text for the various sections. To start, I will use a universal 12-column grid that can be easily divided into 2, 3, 4, and 6 columns. I plan to add rounded edges to all the blocks on this landing page to give it a sleek and modern look. After some deliberation, I've settled on epilogue and I think it's going to look fantastic. To ensure alignment with the frame width, I'm setting up an auto layout for the navigation and creating a separate auto layout for the sign and button to give it a clean, rounded edge. I try to group the content by meaning and make equal indents between elements. And let's not forget that all content should be optically centered in height. To speed up the design process, I'm using a ready-made icon set from Icons 8. It's a great time saver compared to creating icons from scratch. I've also already generated some faces using generated photos, which will add a nice personal touch to the project. You can watch the entire illustration generation process in this video by clicking the link in the tooltip or description. Now that our hero block is complete, we can proceed to the next one. When aligning frames within blocks, make sure that the inner frame's rounded corners have a smaller radius. It's all about achieving that perfect equilibrium. These 3 frames will feature the generated 3D icons and descriptive text underneath, creating some neat description cards. I place the generated icons on the cards and align them to the left edge with the text. Finally, the landing page will include a section showcasing a generated character along with a call to action. It's super important to keep the style of all graphic elements consistent throughout the site. Awesome! The landing page is good to go. Check out icons8.com for a wide range of helpful tools to take your designs to the next level. Best of luck with your creative projects.